My pocket.
Obviously, I gotta take my money when
Don't try to play me, man.
You picked it.
I'm not the one.
You picked it.
I'm not the one.
Who got in this shit?
Post stop.
Hey, let's
Ron, you can run your motherfucking mouth if you don't want to listen to me. Fuck you. I got the money in my pocket.
Hey, the efforts need to be included.
I'm telling you. You ain't got to listen. Okay, in order for the deal to be made, I got to bet 5 and you got to bet 5. I can't bet 5 my money on the table and yours in your hand. Fuck you. And then I took the dice.
My money in the flow.
And when I got that 9, now listen, when I got that 9, I threw one, and then I threw the other one. Get the fuck
My money broke.
Right. You know what? You won't get it.
Fight about it.
You won't get it.
Shut your ass up.
You won't get it. You think
Hey, yo,
it's a
all
joke?
right, let's go again. Let's go
You
again.
think it's a joke?
Let's go again. Let's go again.
You
Ready?
got the motherfucking game twisted.
It's 5 right here.
I'm not the one, man. I'm
That's
not
right.
the
Because
one.
you don't know about nothing.
No, you don't know nothing about nothing.
Let's go.
You better ask some motherfucking buddy.
Hey, yo, but my money's on the floor, dog.
Well, it need to stay on the motherfucking
It's right there, dog. Roll.
Ain't this a bitch?
And you can hold it down.
Now give me the 5 that you snatched up.
Whoa, where the hell did you get all that from? God damn it.
Ooh, boy, this
That
bitch
shit
trying
was
to work
full.
me, ain't he? Trying to work me mentally,
got-
but
you
you
giving
don't
me-
know. I fuck around and flake the fuck
You
out
got
of
20
you.
Hey, where the bread at?
I'm serious. Put my 5 down here,
It's on the
nigga.
floor.
I put yours down here.
That's mine.
What about the 5 I just... All right, I tell you what, here you go.
You lost
Rob,
that.
that's strike 1.
Where's the pot?
The pot is right here. Where's your pot? Where's your money?
Hey, how's
Well, then
it?
let's go.
How's a nigga rolling dice the banker?
Whoa, whoa,
You got
whoa.
40 chips, nigga?
I trust you. Rock 'em.
What you mean? Don't trust me. In my pocket.
Where the pot at?
Who we got in this show? All the fams. We love you, Brooke.
I got enough.
Where the pot at? How much money in the pot? Because I got 20. And it looks like you got way more.
First of all, 5 of it is mine.
That's all.
6 of it is mine, because I got 6 chips right here. No, 6 of it's mine.
I'm not putting the pot nowhere. It's right here.
I just
where
want to know
it's
what's in
wrong.
the
How you gonna roll and have the pot?
What's in the pot?
Hey, Ron, you know, this is the last time you going to interrupt me in my motherfucking thing, man.
No problem.
You hear me? Because you know what?
I just need to know what I'm playing with.
Hey, I'm cashing out.
Playing with. This what you playing with.
I got 6 chips.
Now that you only put $40 in there, that's a whole hell of a lot more than 40. So stop looking at the money, nigga, and get down on your knees.
No, you got a lot more than $40.
You goddamn right. So don't worry, that's the pot. All right, let's go. There's more than that. You ready? You ready?
Mac.
You gonna look real stupid.
Count the fucking money right now.
Come on, man.
Count the money, dog. Count the money, dog. I got 40 in the pot, man. Count the money.
You got 40 in the pot?
I got 40 in the pot. Count the money.
Hey, let me cash out before you count it.
Shut the fuck up, Rondé.
Mac, come on, dog. I'm not.
Son, sit your shot ass the fuck down.
Listen, this is not. You don't want me to go get mad.
4, 5, 6, 700. I mean,
Yeah, all
I
right.
wish you would.
700.
I wish you would. It's
Come
your
on now.
40. That's your 40. That's my 40. Don't worry about the pot.
No.
Yo,
Because that's a
15.
lot more than 40, bro.
If this is more than 40, I quit and I'm gonna keep the motherfucking money.
That's 40, dog.
That ain't 40, motherfucker. I just took 20 of it.
It's
You
five.
just get. Yeah, okay, 5.
Dog, that's like 3 times what I got,
2,
dog.
4, 6,
This is
8,
me right here,
10,
right?
12.